When the odds are in your favor, what do? You bet big. That was what Charlie Munger said in Otedora's book, Making It Big. Now, let me explain what it means betting big when the odds are in your favor and how that can actually, increase the amount of return on investment you are going to make. Now, let's use Chelsea and Man United as an example. So let's assume that Chelsea is going to play Manchester United, and the venue for that football match is Old Trafford. Now, Old Trafford is the stadium of what? Manchester United. So it can be said that the venue for the match is the home of Manchester United. You know what a home advantage can actually do in football. Now, let's come to Bet Niger terms. Now, one means home win. So if you are betting this game on Bet Niger and you put straight one, it means that you are predicting that Man U is going to win. I'm going to show you how it's going to affect the amount of money you are going to make. Now, if you bet two, it means what? Away win, that Chelsea is going to win. Now, you bet X, which is draw. You mean that the match is going to be draw, whether goalless draw or 2-2 draw. Now, if you say that one, that is Manchester, who are home, is going to win, the odd is 6.5, right? Now, you also go and bet that Chelsea is going to win, which is away, the odd is 8. Now, you bet X, which is draw, the odd is 6. And now, these odds determines what the outcome of what you make will be. Now, if you bet 1,000 naira here, at 6.5 odd, you will now get 6,500 naira with your 1,000. And if you bet 2, which is away win, with the same 1,000 naira, let's know, you are going to make 8,000 naira. If you bet X, which is draw, with 1,000 naira, you are going to make what? 6,000 naira. If you bet, now listen, because you said 1, you went all in, you said that Man U is going to win in their home. You are going to make 6,500 naira with 1,000. And you also go all in and say that Chelsea away is going to win. You are going to make 8,000 naira with just 1,000. Let's know. Now, you said that it is going to be draw. You are going to make 6,000 naira with 1,000. Now that you are no longer sure, you are diversifying. In crypto, this is diversification. You are now doing 1x, which means it's either home win or draw. So in 1. Now, look at how your odd dropped from these places to 1.4, meaning that with your 1,000 naira now, you only get 1,400 naira. Listen, and you are no longer sure. Away can win or draw, which is 2x. With your 1,000 naira, you used to play the match, you are going to make 1,800 naira. Now, look at where fortune rewards the bold. Because this person is bold and said that, Man U is going to win 6,500 naira. He played the match with 1,000. Another person says, Chelsea is going to win. He played it 1,000 naira and he's making 8,000 naira. I want you to see the difference between this and this. Not much. Now, another person said it's going to be a draw. Look at it, 6,000 naira. Now that this person is no longer sure, I don't know whether not to buy wiki cards only, or make I buy wiki cards with another coin. Make I buy wiki cards with this one or that one. Look at how your odds have dropped. But 1,000 naira, look at what it's giving you. Extra 400. It's not worth it, right? So again, I'm going to tell you that when you see those cryptos that tick the boxes, go all in on them. If I have $5,000, instead of splitting it into 10 projects, I would rather use this 5,000 and do what? 2 projects. At the end of the day, overall, I will make more money than this person. So now imagine that I put 5,000, I put 2,500 into Wikicat and put another 2,500 into BC400. I'm going to make a whole lot of money. This place, I am sure of 50 to 100x. This place, I'm sure of 200 to 600x. At the end of the day, if you calculate it, if you put 100 here and put this 600, I'm getting 700x. 700x multiplied by 5,000. That is a whole lot of money. But these 10 projects can be 10x, 25x, and the rest of them. Once again, Charlie Munger said that when your odds are high, remember, my odds are high on BC 400. 92, I've been 94% is already burnt. So those big allocations to dev that makes them to dump is not there. So the boxes are ticked. The developer solid. The developer Wikicard solid. Utility secure. Community powerful. For the both of them. So I hope that with these few points of mine, you can understand that you need to be bold. When you are bold, fortune favors you. And in being bold, you don't have to do it blindly. You don't have to do it blindly. If you're looking for someone who can actually help you with your decisions, I am your go-to place, okay? So far, so good. Buy BC 400 as much as you can, and also buy Wikicard as much as you can. Those are my two top projects for now. See you.